Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khalif Kararamdoni. My ID number is 212122013 in class A. In this video, I will show you how to use the days, time, and date. So let's start. In 1 week, we have 7 days, of which Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. How to use that? Uh, for example, is what day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Monday. And yesterday, what day? Yesterday is Saturday. And others. The time? Uh, in one in one day, we have 24 hours, of which 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3:15 minutes, 4:30, 5:45 minutes. For example, what time is it now? Is 3:15 minutes from now. When did the ceremony begin? The ceremony began at 7 o'clock and others. And last the date, in 1 month, generally we have 30 days. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and others. For example, what date is it now? The date now is December. For example, December to 2020. What date tomorrow is December 1, 2020. So that's all enough. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.